100 crore company using waste PET bottles, and his products were worn by Prime Minister Modi and even Bill Gates.
India uses 17 crore PET bottles every single day.
And if it isn't recycled, it ends up in landfills.
So we decided to upcycle it.
Into this, which is made of 6 bottles. We are Jenny. We tell sustainable stories.
Hi, I'm Senthil. My father and I started India's first fully sustainable fashion brand, Ecoline clothing.
Ecoline takes these bottles and crushes them into flakes.
The flakes are dried, melted into fibers and spun into yarns.
They take over 15 lakh bottles every single day and convert them into corporate wear, T-shirts, ethnic wear and much more.
These bottles are collected by our responsible vendor partners from across South India.
Ecoline ensures nothing goes to waste.
The caps on these bottles are used to make battery cases.
The ash that remains gets converted into Paver blocks.
The entire process does not require water.
But is wearing plastic safe?
Our technology makes this hard plastic bottle into this super soft polyester fiber and ensure all the products that we make are safe and hygienic.
But is this the solution to a cleaner planet?
We're working on making these fabrics biodegradable and have an exciting buyback program from the consumers.
Most of Ecoline's products save 5 to 8 kgs of CO2 emissions.
Our products are sustainable, comfortable and affordable.